Is this the next level of AI development? So what you can see behind me is an exchange where an AI has been given access to the company's Slack account, and it's able to send queries and get responses from the other team members and communicate in order to better do its job. The other day I talked about Devin. It's an AI which can code and write in programming languages, and I was talking about how this is potentially going to put a lot of coding and programming jobs at risk, and they're going to have to change what they're doing in the future. And I was talking about how if you're doing a computer science degree right now, I would seriously be looking at what your future is going to be looking like, and what skills you can quickly acquire now in order to protect yourself. One of the criticisms, and this was a very good criticism, was saying, okay, Devin is great at working on its own code base. It can create an app, it can do all those kind of things. But most programming work, most coding work is actually the back and forward fixing things, communication between the development team and the client team, and working out how the app can be made better. And they were saying, well, Devin can't do this. Devin will go ahead and do its own thing. It would be an AI, but without that kind of back and forth, you're never going to get a really high quality end product. So what we're seeing here is Devin doing exactly that. Basically, Devin has been given access to the company Slack channel. Devin here is Stephen Howe. So you can see the language here is still a bit kind of clunky. It still sounds like an AI. But what Devin has done is raised a support ticket itself when it found a problem in the code base, and then started to talk to the rest of the team to work out the problem, using their interaction and having a conversation with them in order to get a better result. Specifically, what Devin did here was go through all the documentation. You can see it's reviewed these various different documents here, but it came across a problem which it couldn't find explicit information for propagation time for secrets in this particular case. So it went ahead and it asked the human beings, and they provided a response, and Devin integrated that response into its work. As pointed out in the original tweet here, it seems like the large language model is finding an issue, opening a support ticket, and then adjusting their code based on the response. It's what the best human devs do.